guys, and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing. This one is the April 2023 box. I know. Trust me, I'm aware. But at least we're in the other A month of the year, so it kind of, sort of, I don't know. Anyway, we're just gonna dive in. So let's find the booklet. It's weirdly not on the top for one. It's on the bottom. That's strange. So we have the booklet, and we have an ad for like the additional bundles you can buy. We don't need to look at that. So, here's the cover. And a little editorial note reads, Dream workers, whether you fall asleep the second your head hits the pillow or you stay up way too late watching just one more episode of The Last of Us, just me, you can still look like you got a full 8 hours. There are some hardworking products in your April box that perform skin-nourishing, frizz-smoothing wonders overnight. Rhodial's hydrating face mask, Avita's leave-in serum for hair, and Avant's skin-loving night cream. This trio can also help you spend less time getting ready in the morning, as will your new foolproof chocolate brown eyeshadow stick, so you can have precious extra minutes with your coffee. So the first thing in here is that Rhodial product. And this is the Rhodial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. I want to say I have something else from their Dragon's Blood line, but I don't think it was the mask. But I would have to look and see what it is. It might have been like a serum, I want to say, or an eye cream. Or no, it was the sculpting gel, that's what it was. I don't even know what that means, but anyway. The gel mask is cooling to the touch and leaves skin feeling so refreshed. So the retail price is $58 for 50 milliliters, which apparently is what we have. I don't know if that is full size, because it doesn't say full size, it just says for 50 milliliters, so anywho. Why you'll love it. In skincare, the word mask is often synonymous with the word mess. But Rhodial's lightweight formula is so well absorbed by skin that you can even use this hydrating mask as an overnight treatment for an extra boost of moisture. How's that for beauty sleep? It's called Dragon's Blood, but the key ingredients here are actually moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glycerin, plus soothing squalane and a cooling, non-sticky gel. How you'll use it, rub a generous layer of this mask over your entire face and let it fully absorb. It only takes a few minutes. You can rinse it off, but we love wearing it overnight for skin that's softer and smoother in the morning. So that's cool. So the next item in here is by Avita, and it is this Botanical Repair Strengthening Overnight Serum. And this is $52 for 100 milliliters. This is not that size. This is a 30 milliliter size. Smooths frizz and flyaways while you sleep, and you don't have to rinse it out. In other words, a dream. Why you'll love it. This leave-in serum treats your hair while you snooze, so you can wake up to less frizz and flyaways. Its smoothing powers are thanks largely to a few key ingredients. Botanical oils, including avocado and a plant called Sacha Inchi, work overtime to help prevent breakage and split ends while they smooth over existing damage so it's less noticeable. Despite the bountiful oils, hair doesn't feel weighted down in the slightest. Rather, it feels just as bouncy as it would after a blowout, and considerably healthier too. How you'll use it: post-shower after your hair has mostly dried, dispense 2 pumps into your hands and comb the serum through the entirety of your hair before calling it a night. Interesting. Especially because I may shower tonight, so I'm like, I might try that. So then we have the Commodity Book Expressive. It's $24 for 10 milliliters, which is not what we have. This is 2 milliliters. Why you'll love it. Springtime bottled, this bergamot fragrance is crisp and green like freshly cut grass, warmed a touch by cozy notes of sandalwood and cedarwood, but it still manages to stay as fresh as the season, making it a cool alternative to spring's many floral fragrances. How you'll use it: spritz the scent onto your pulse points, wrists, inner elbows, and or sides of the neck. If you're wearing it on your wrists, reapply if you've been washing your hands a lot. Well, yeah, that makes sense. So that's kind of cool. Then we have a flamingo razor, which apparently is a sponsor item in here. I guess it's a little flamingo on the bottom. How cute. So this retails for $8. You can get it at shopflamingo.com. Why you'll love it. This Allure Best of Beauty award-winning razor Delivers a smooth, nick-free shave without any of the most common razor drawbacks, hair gunking everything up after just one use. New blades so sharp they cut your ankles. Oh, that's a drawback. Okay, gotcha. As I mowed the razor across my skin, the hair just fell off in one easy swipe, says Gabby Thorne. Plus, it's comfortable to hold and looks so pretty sitting in your shower. How you'll use it doesn't take a lot to get a clean shave with this razor. Slather on some shaving cream, and you should be able to get smooth results with just one pass. Well, let's see it. I think it should be purple given the dot. Oh, it is. It's lavender. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. That is adorbs. Love how I'm just like, here, let me touch the razor blades. Like, what the fuck is wrong with me? Like, straight up. So, we're going to put that back in there for now. Always a useful item. Get a couple more in here under that. So from Avant, this has got to be expensive. This is always an expensive brand. Oh yeah. For 50 milliliters, which is not the size of this, this is... Oh, I take it back. Yes, this is a 50 milliliter. This is $114 for this itty bitty little fucking thing. Let that sink in. Why the actual crap is this $114? I'm sorry. I don't care if this is the most amazing item on the planet. If you're spending $114 on this, how about you just throw money at me? Because I think that would be a better use of it. Because holy crap. Okay, so this is the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying... What is vivifying? Face and Eye Night Cream. While you'll love it, this night cream is delightfully light on the skin, which makes it great for sleeping in, even after the muggiest spring days, and you don't have to worry about it rubbing off on your pillow. While you dream, it works hard to add moisture using a trio of serious hydrators, shea butter, sodium hyaluronate, and sweet almond oil, which also makes the formula smell amazing, like an almond croissant. Niacinamide smooths, minimizes pores, and fades redness. How you'll use it: smooth a dab onto skin nightly. A pea-sized amount should be enough to cover your whole face. Holy shit. That is just, like, backcrap insane to me that this is, like, the full size and it costs that. I'm not going to be over that for a while. Remember there was, like, some cleanser I got that was, like, big and it was something like that? Apparently this is even more crazy. Wow, that's all I can say about that. And then the last item in here is by Real Her, and it's the Cream Eyeshadow Stick in Chocolate. So it's another one of these, if you've seen this brand before. If you subscribe to Ipsy, you have definitely seen this brand before. So this retails for $20, and it is the I Am Influential Shadow Stick. And the color... I guess it's just, I am influential. Why, you'll love it. Eyeshadow sticks could not be easier to use, and this one is as foolproof as they come. Blend the chocolatey brown over your lids for a smoky, neutral look that's soft yet sexy, perfect for a totally non-boring daytime look or classic evening style. How you'll use it: trace your upper lash line, scribble across the center of your lid, and blend everything up and out with a clean finger. A touch of bronze or gold shadow on the center of the lids is especially pretty over this warm brown. Finish with mascara. Let's see what shade of brown it is, because I'm kind of curious. I mean, I know they say chocolate, but I'm like, how deep a brown are we talking? Is it like warm? Is it cold? Oh, is it one with a sharpener? It is! It is! It is one with a sharpener! Yes! I shouldn't be that amused at that, but I always am when they have it. Okay. Come on, open up. Why are we not opening? Okay. I was like, please don't break. Okay. Ooh, okay. Like, it looks hella crazy dark, but honestly, I could see that being pretty, especially if, like, smoked out. Like, that could be workable. Then we just have another ad for the member store exclusive. They are really pushing the member store, even though, like, lately their bundles have all just been stuff that we already have gotten in boxes, so there's no point to even shop from that. So, like, I don't know what exactly they're doing anymore. But anyway, that was the April Allure Beauty Box from 2023. Hopefully you enjoyed it, belated though it may have been. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.